Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Treasure of My Heart. Today we are going to learn and write 10 lines essay on rainy season. So let's start. Rainy season or monsoon is a pleasant season. Number 2. Sky becomes overcast and cloudy. Number 3. Nature looks green and beautiful. Number 4. People use raincoats and umbrellas. Number 5. Rainy season is a boon for trees, birds and animals. Number 6. Beautiful flowers bloom in this time. Number 7. Rain cleans our environment from pollution. Number 8. Peacocks dance and spread their colorful feathers. Number 9. Farmers are happy as it helps in the growth of their crops. Number 10. The rainy season is very important for us. Thanks for watching. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest videos.